Howdy. Alright, I'll show you how to make a squirrel stopper for 10 cents using a pop bottle. I didn't want to pay 15 to 40 bucks for what I seen online or at the store, so here's what we got. Okay, it's just a pop bottle. Here's the bird feeder. So this is approximately a ½ inch diameter. So I drilled a ½ inch hole in the bottom side, nice and thick plastic on the bottom. Okay, and I put a slit in the side, all the way down. Finished it off down here. Just snapped it on this pole. You can see there's a hose clamp right there. That holds it where you want it. That's it, 10 cents. Well, so far, no squirrel has gotten past the 10-cent 2-liter bottle. At least not yet. All right, have a good day. Thanks for watching. Okay, adios. Bye.